Hey there, do you want to build a career in website design and development? Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of website design and development. If you've ever dreamt of becoming a professional website developer, here are major skills you need to learn to become a professional website designer and developer. Let's get started. Front-end website design, crafting user experience. All right, let's kick things off with the front end, which is the face of the website. Front-end website design is all about creating captivating user experience. You will learn how to use HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. With these skills, you will be able to bring stunning designs to life and make websites that users will love to explore. Now the back-end web development, which is the building engine room. Back-end web development is where the magic happens. You will master programming languages like Python, Ruby, or PHP to create the server-side logic. Database will be your best friend as you store, retrieve, and manage data efficiently. Get ready to build robust and dynamic websites that functions flawlessly. Please note this, it's better to learn front-end web design before going into the back-end website design and development. Now the full stack web design and development, which is the ultimate combo. Are you feeling ambitious? Then full stack web development is your game. This is where you combine the powers of front end and back end to create complete web applications. From the user interface to server management, you do it all. You will build the jack of all trades, making you an invaluable asset in the world of web development. Mastering frameworks and libraries accelerates your skills. Ready to level up? It's time to explain frameworks and libraries for front end. Dive into frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue. On the back end, frameworks like Django, Ruby, on Rails, or Node.js will simplify complex tasks. These tools are the secret sauce of boosting your productivity and making your project shine. And there you have it, web enthusiasts. The skills you need to transform into a professional website developer, whether it's front-end web design, back-end development, or becoming a full-stack master. The world of website development is yours to conquer. If you found this video insightful and can't wait for more web tactics content, remember to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Also, don't miss out on updates, tips, and discussions by following us on all our social media platforms. Thanks for tuning into this website development journey. Keep honing those skills, keep building, and keep that enthusiasm alive. Until next time, happy coding. Bye.